This is Cyndy G, and in this video, we're assembling the Mermaid belly box. So I've got the pieces here laid out. Let's just go over some of them. I've already put together the little flower that goes in her hair. This one has two face options. You have the open eyes and then the eyes with the lashes. Okay, so you can use either face on this design. For this one, I am doing the eyes open. Be sure before you put the black on the back that you put the red under the mouth. She's got long flowing hair. Now I have already folded this on my score lines, and to start, you're going to glue the tabs to the back to start with. So I'm going to start there. And they will be covered by her hair. So I'm just using the table to push that tab down. And I'm not going to glue the tail on yet, just in case it helps me with these. So I've put the pieces on for the eyes and the mouth, and now I'm going to put the front hair piece on. And we can glue this onto her torso. And then her shells for her top. So you just want to glue those in place. Okay. And then this will glue in here, and you want to line up her head, because if you can see in here, this is the top of her fin piece. Okay, so that's of her tail. That goes just like that. Now for her hair, we are just going to, I like to use the table so that I don't get it lower than her. And we're just going to put it on the back. And I think because this is so thick, I am going to ink the edge here of her head. And that will help that not stand out so much. There. Okay, so okay, I've got that coated. And again, I'm going to, I want to see it because I want to make sure I get it fairly even. And I'm just going to come in here and push this down. So here for the fin, you have this little bit of a straight edge right here, and that's what you're going to line it up to. I'm going to set this down on the table and push this down. And then I was trying to see if I wanted to use a piece of foam tape, and I think I do for my flower. Oh no. Okay. Then if you want them, she has arms you can put here on the side. And it's that quick and simple. That is the Mermaid belly box. Thank you for joining me.